Today on In the Box, I will be unboxing the new Samsung A10e. Now I'm a fan of this device, believe it or not. For a entry-level smartphone, I feel like this device definitely packs a lot of power, and the design is actually pretty fly, for lack of better words. It's a great looking phone. It feels great. I've had the opportunity to play with one. But now let's begin this unboxing so I can show you what this device comes with. Alright, so now I'm going to take this away. Under here, you're going to have the device. So here is the A10e. Again, this device definitely feels great for an entry-level device. I'm personally a fan of it, with the design and everything. So let's continue. In this box, this is a T-Mobile version. You'll find the serial number sticker of the device. They do that with a lot of their Samsung devices. Now we have the charging base. This is a Samsung charging base. Standard USB connection, so you use a USB cable that goes into the phone in order to charge the device. We have the USB, which looks like USB Type-C, so this phone uses a USB Type-C cord, so that's a plus. That's where most of the devices and handsets are actually going towards now, including some of the Apple devices actually use USB Type-C now. Now let's see what's inside of this little packet box. 1 second. Oh, okay. You got all the books and the guides, nothing left in here. Alright. Oh wait, I forgot one little thing. We have the SIM tool. Oh, so these phones actually come with the SIM tool. That's pretty good. This is the tool you're going to use to put your SD card or SIM card into the device, since it's all built in. Now let's continue with the books. We have the Welcome Start Guide. This pretty much goes over the standard basic setups, lets you know about the phone. Terms and condition and health and safety, that Samsung is pretty diligent in putting in all of their devices as well. You have the terms and condition, return policy, and limited warranty. So as you all know, all devices come with a 1-year warranty, just for things that don't work. So thank you for tuning in. Make sure you share and subscribe.